Hi, I'm Devin. I'm a communications tutor here at the Tutorial Center. You can find me in AC1-141, also known as the Comm Lab.
Hi, I'm Edith. I'm a Comm tutor at the TC. Comm Lab is a place for students to work on speeches and presentations for communications courses in any of their classes that has a presentation assignment. No appointments necessary, just come in during available Comm Lab hours with your student ID and one of our Comm tutors will assist you.
In Comm Lab, we'd like to meet you where you're at. Whether you're brainstorming, outlining a speech, or just need someone to watch your presentation, we are here to help. We have a mirror, a podium, and a projector to help you prepare for speaking in front of your class.
Hi, my name's Jazmin. I'm also a Comm tutor here at the Tutorial Center. The Comm Lab is open in AC1-141 from 3 to 5 on Tuesdays and Thursdays and 2 to 4 on Wednesdays and Fridays. If you are unable to attend in person, we are also available on Zoom during the same hours.
We hope to see you soon!